Nigerians have again been cautioned not to stay off guard as no vaccine to the COVID-19 pandemic has been found yet. And this is the candid advice of a team of medical experts following another round of survey carried out across different parts of the country on the pandemic. Clearview TV's Imefonokon now tells us more.
Candid advice is for all Nigerians to ensure full compliance with all COVID-19 protocols aimed at checking for the spread of the pandemic came during the presentation of the report of the findings of the Afrobarometer R9 survey in Nigeria on COVID-19. The advice has become imperative as some Nigerians still think there is no need for them to be vaccinated against the killer disease. The Chief Executive Officer of NOIPolls, Chike Nwoku, while presenting the Afrobarometer R9 findings on COVID-19, stressed the need for Nigerians to continue to comply with all COVID-19 protocols to avoid the spread of the pandemic.
In the numbers, but the point for us to take away from that is people's attitude towards vaccine hesitancy. Government's response to COVID-19. 54% of the people that we spoke to believe that a lot of the resources intended for the COVID-19 response were lost to corruption. 7 in 10, 71% of people that we spoke to are dissatisfied with the government's provision of assistance to vulnerable households.
The Assistant Survey Manager in charge of North and West Africa, Lionel Esima, sheds light on the methodology used in arriving at the findings of the survey.
The goal of Afrobarometer is to give voice to ordinary citizens in policy making by providing high quality data to policy makers, policy advocates, academics, civil society organizations, and ordinary citizens. What we do.
During the panel discussion on the survey findings, medical experts and COVID-19 analysts stressed the need for continued preventive measures, especially the need for Nigerians to be vaccinated to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. They say it is wrong for people to begin to assume that the pandemic is over.
But I tell you, COVID was not a fluke. COVID is still real as real can be. It is still with us. It is everywhere. Except,
so I urge each and every one of us, the social media and everybody, we're all advocates. We can all talk to people. We can all mobilize people. We have different groups. We have churches. We have mosques. We have business partners. Our traditional rulers are all advocates so that we can be able to vaccinate our people.
Some of the elderly people we lost in the last couple of years died from COVID, but unfortunately we had an apathy to testing, and we didn't interrogate well what was killing and how COVID was contributing to death.
NOIPolls is a public opinion and research organization based in Nigeria. It is committed to delivering forward-thinking research and relevant data to enhance the activities of decision makers across all sectors of Nigeria and beyond. Imefonokon, reporting for Clearview Television.